Elon Musk reveals Tesla Model Y production ramp-up problem in leaked email and confirmed that Tesla is facing some Model Y production issues in a new leaked email to employees. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haryan from TalkNews.com. Due to this virus situation that we're all in, Tesla had to shut down its Fremont factory at a really bad time, just as they were starting to ramp up Model Y production, to increase Model Y production. They started back up last month, but it is expected to take a while to go back to pre-shutdown production capacity of Model Y. But in a new email sent to production employees, CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, confirmed that Tesla is having some production challenges with Model Y. Quote from that email: "It is extremely important for us to ramp up Model Y production and minimize rectification needs. I want you to know that it really makes a difference to Tesla right now." End of the quote. Rectifications would refer to things Tesla needs to fix on cars that already went through the regular production process. Elon Musk mentioned General Assembly as a problem area that needs attention. Here is a quote from that part. Model Y, especially GA, stands for General Assembly. So Model Y, especially General Assembly, is the top priority for both production and manufacturing engineering. GA4, that would stand for General Assembly line number 4. So GA4 is also top priority for facility improvements. For those working in GA4, thank you for bearing with tough conditions. We'll get better fast. I will be walking the line personally every week. So the General Assembly 4 is Tesla's now famous assembly line inside the tent next to the factory. It is the production line that enabled Tesla to reach a Model 3 production capacity of 5,000 units per week, which was a massive milestone for Tesla. The CEO added that Tesla is doing reasonably well with the production of its other vehicles. Quote from that email: "We're doing reasonably well with Model S, Model X, and Model 3, but there are production and supply chain ramp challenges with Model Y, as is always the case with new products." End of the quote. It's currently unclear how many vehicles Tesla is currently producing per week. Here is Elon Musk's email to employees in full. Subject: Model Y production. "It is extremely important for us to ramp up Model Y production and minimize rectification needs. I want you to know that it really makes a difference to Tesla right now. Model Y, especially GA, is the top priority for both production and manufacturing engineering. General Assembly line number 4 is also top priority for facility improvements. For those working in the General Assembly line number 4, thank you for bearing with tough conditions. We'll get better fast. I will be walking the line personally every week. We're doing reasonably well with Model S, Model X, and Model 3, but there are production and supply chain ramp challenges with Model Y, as is always the case with the new products. Please let me know if there is anything I can do to help. Thanks, Elon." So what do we think about this? Production ramp-ups always have issues. And last time when I reported about production ramps, someone asked, what is ramp-up? Ramp means increasing. It's a slope that goes up. So production increases of new cars or existing cars, if you want to increase the production, they always have issues. To be honest, if it wasn't for the virus, it looked like Model Y was Tesla's best production ramp ever. Because remember how difficult it was with the production increase of the Model 3, but now with Model Y things were going smooth because Model Y is just like a sibling of Model 3 used based on the same platform, just a little bit bigger. So the production ramp for Model Y was Tesla's best production ramp ever. This email feels more like a general update to the troops, which is strange since Elon Musk generally sends company-wide or production-wide when there are important problems to fix. It looks like Tesla clearly has some issues with the general assembly of the Model Y, leading to more work after cars go through the line. But they do seem like reasonable problems to fix. That's what I'm getting from this email, and this is not a big deal. I think this is a very easily solved issue. It's just like, generally telling people that, let's improve as much as possible. Let's see where the areas of difficulties are and fix them. And also thanks people at the production line number 4, and saying that he will just walk there every week just to make sure everything is correct. So, what do you think about these developments, friends? Are you a Model Y owner, or maybe are you a Model Y recent owner? Have you seen any difficulties with your Model Y production, or actually Model Y when you were, or any problems with your Model Y when it was delivered? Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below, friends. This is in the meantime Arben Harayan from torquenews.com. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to show your support and appreciation of all the people who helped me to bring these stories to you. And have a wonderful day. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report today.